Morning, Miss.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
Morning, Miss.
Hello.
Morning, Miss.
What happened to Miss Erlin's camera? God, look at
She
that.
outside.
No, no, look. Okay, she's
She's
back.
outside.
Vaughn, Roland, Renz, Kennex, Jazzer. I cannot see you.
How are you today, Miss? Good.
Good. We're here in school. Since by Monday we will all be in face to face. That's why we will be getting ready. We will prepare the classroom and everything else. So with that, I'll be giving your own activity at hand that you will be all learning all about. Yesterday we have the activity that we recall on the major or human organ system, right? There are seven major organ systems. So with that, I hope you learned and you recall those different organs in our body that coordinate one another to make up an organ system for us to stay alive. And this time, we focus now on our discussion on our activity on digestive system as the first organ system that we will be dealing with. With that, I prepared an activity in Google in Wayground again that you will be learning about the different organs involved in digesting the food that you eat this morning. So with that, you have to do it. There are 15, I guess, 15 questions or 10 questions that you need to answer, the same as the activity you did yesterday. But this time, it's more on focusing digestive system. Before I give the link, I'd like to request everyone to turn on the camera. We are all 26. Are we all complete, Mavin?
We're
Are
missing
you
two people.
two people who are not here?
Actually,
Singing
three.
two people.
Good
Yeah.
morning po, Miss.
Okay, so I'm gonna take screenshot. Look at the camera. Stay in the center. Look at the camera. Hands down. Hands down. Very good. Sit properly. Even Bon. Sit properly. Look at the camera. Very good. Nice to see you all. One, two, three. One, two, three. Ay, Alfonso, hindi ka nakalukat ng camera. Kenix. Again. One, two, three. Thank you. Who are those two people na hindi wala dito sa call? Sino yun, Marvin? Okay, andito na si Grofel. Grofel ba yun? Oh. Sino pa ang
Hindi ko
isa?
alam po.
Si Kyle. So, for those
Wala
who
si
are not
Rigel po.
here,
Rigel's
Rigel.
the only one missing.
Okay, Rigel is missing today. Now, again, in preparation for the Mondays face to face, then you will come back to school by Monday. Teachers are might be very busy with preparation of the classroom. You have to check time to time your Google Classroom for the announcement. As of the moment, I will give you your the activity on digestive system for this class. So I'll send the link now. You have to do it one more time, but you have to stay in the column, okay, and do it on your own. I hope you will learn you have to learn in detail because by Monday, I might give some questions with regards to the human organ system, tapos digestive system. So pay attention so well and that take note of the things that you've learned on this topic. Okay, I'll send the link in the chat box.
Miss, how will we write our names? Last name first?
Miss, start immediately po.
Guys, I sent already the link and you may start now.
Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy. Enjoy your learning in digestive system as you travel the entire organ involved in digesting the food that you eat today.
Miss, do we actually need to eat? Oh, wait. No, I mean, do we actually need to answer what did you eat for breakfast?
Of course.
No, I didn't eat
Yes,
anything.
yes, Vaughn. That's why
I
you
didn't
have to
eat
be
anything.
very, very attentively because every part contains question. Kung mag-skip ka ng part ng video, you may not answer it correctly. That's why I said listen, take note attentively
Well,
while you proceed to the next part. You cannot proceed to the next part not unless you may answer the question. Hindi siya magpupush to the next topic or to the next part of the video.
Miss, I'm finished, Miss. Do we leave?
Who was that? Who is finished na? Majid, you're done na?
Yes, Miss.
Oh,
Yes,
I
Miss.
want you to take note of everything that you have on the different organs in the digestive system. Take
Okay,
note
Miss.
of that because
Miss,
by Monday,
ulitin ko lang po, hindi na po kasi parang nag-i-slide yung ano eh. Wait lang po, sorry. Baka po mag-detect.
Done, miss. Tapos na po.
I am done as well po.
done na din po.
hello boys, if you're done, stay in the call. Take your time in taking down notes, important things about digestive system. By
Miss, can we do
Monday,
our other activities po?
yeah, you may, but stay in the call, ha? Stay in the
Okay
call.
po.
No one will leave.
Can,
Okay,
can I
so
finish
if
my
you're
time?
done early, then do other things. Stay in the call. Hello, Rigel. Check the chat box for the activity today. I cannot see the... Saan na yan? Wait, I pinned it already. Those who are finished, you may also work for other activities you have in other classes. But stay in the call lang. No worries. Hello, boys. If you are done na, you may leave the call na. See you on Monday. Happy weekend.
See you on Monday,
Bye,
miss. Happy
miss.
Bye,
weekend.
miss. Bye, miss.
Bye, miss.
Bye, miss.
Bye, miss. See you on Monday.
Bye, miss. Happy
Good
weekend.
luck, miss. Bye.